Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com, and today it's my pleasure to continue on with our Ask the Flooring Pro video series. I think today is episode number 11, and we're talking about vinyl plank flooring. What we're doing on our website, if you haven't seen any of these videos yet, is we get asked questions every single day about all kind of different floor covering issues. It could be cleaning and maintenance tip questions. It could be questions about different sorts of products and what type of product should I put in what room in my house. It could be budgeting questions. We just get asked all kind of questions related to flooring. So what we decided to do is we're making little videos about a lot of these questions, and we're hosting them on our website at bestrugprices.com. It's called Ask the Flooring Pro. And our goal would be to compile a lot of these videos in the same place, and then our viewers can go to our site and use this as a resource tool for themselves. So if you have a flooring project you're thinking about doing, or you're in the middle of and you have a question and you can't get an answer to your question, you can go to our site and hopefully we have a video about it. So today's topic is, like I said, about vinyl plank. And the question one of our customers asked us is, do you need to put underlayment down on your subfloor before you put vinyl plank down? And it's a really good question, and there's a lot of different things you need to worry about when it comes to underlayment. So with vinyl plank flooring, most of the products that you put in the home are click together products. So with this type of product, vinyl plank is made to go over other flooring. So for example, if you have a bathroom that has a linoleum down on it right now, if the product you have on the floor is in really good shape and it's not tore up, or if it's level and so forth, then a lot of times you can go right over the existing floor with vinyl plank and you don't need to have a underlayment. On the flip side, if you have a floor that is a wood subfloor and the subfloor itself is in bad shape, maybe there's some busted up boards, or it's not level, or it's just there's a lot of things going wrong with it, then you do need to put a wood layment or underlayment floor down before you install your vinyl plank, because you need to have some sort of smooth subfloor for that vinyl plank to sit on. The other thing that you have to keep in mind with subfloors is, let's say you have a living room that you want to put vinyl plank in, and connected to that living room is another room in your house that has a 3/4 inch hardwood floor. So you have a height issue sometimes when you put vinyl plank down. So a lot of times wood underlayment is necessary in order to get the height of the floor to the same level as other rooms in your house. So what I always tell people in reference to underlayment is concerned is, it's always best to get your flooring professional involved in that decision. So if you have any questions about that, most stores will come out to your home and do a free estimate, and you really need to get a flooring professional out to your home to take a look at your project to see whether or not it's going to require underlayment. And that's the best advice I can give you is, sometimes you can put the vinyl plank right on your subfloor or over an existing floor without any problems at all. And sometimes, because of a lot of different factors that might be involved, you do need to get a subfloor before you put your vinyl plank down. So I know that's probably not the direct answer to the question, but in this case about whether or not you need a wood underlayment uh, before you put down your vinyl plank, the correct answer is, it really depends on the project and what's all involved. So sometimes you don't need one, and sometimes you do. And it's always best to get a flooring professional out to your project site to take a look at it before you make that decision. So again, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com. This is Ask the Flooring Pro video series. And you can find us on our website. And if you have a floor covering question and you want to get an answer to it, please submit your question on our site, and we'll make a video, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks.